How to Be a Pirate, written by Sue Fleiss and illustrated by Nikki Dyson. Ahoy, landlubber! Come with me, board me ship upon the sea. Not a pirate? Don't know how. Ye can learn to be one now. Come in closer, I don't bite. A pirate you shall be tonight. First, I'll take you round the ship. Deck is wet, so don't you slip. That's a mast. There's a aft. If she sinks, right here's the raft. Skulls and crossbones mark our flags. Never mess with scallywags. No more manners, no more fuss. When you're here, ye act like us. Shuffle, swagger, that's our walk. Learn the lingo, talk the talk. Gangway, blimmy, yo ho ho. Those are words you'll need to know. Wear an eye patch. Hold a hook. You can choose your pirate look. Pick a parrot for your arm. Every pirate's lucky charm. Rules for pirates? Let's just say you can throw all rules away. No more toothpaste. Farewell bath. You can choose the pirate path. I smell trouble closing in. Gives me shivers on me skin. Check the spyglass. Enemy ship. Aim the cannons. Let 'em rip. The chase has started. Never fear. The ship's fast and land is near. Watch out, mateys. Duck below. Pirates heave and pirates ho. We've outrun them. Missed their trap. Make for shore and check the map. Dock the vessel, not the rig. Grab your shovel. Time to dig. Find your treasure. Don't be late. Soon you'll hold your piece of eight. Sing a shanty, whistle, dance. Do a jig in pirate pants. The test is over, buccaneer. You're a pirate now. Let's cheer.